Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here in Greenville. Today we're going to be seeing how far the train tracks stretch. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that we're here at the end of the train tracks, let's see how long it's going to take us to get all the way to the other end and how far it is. I'm in the Ford Raptor just because it has good clearance, it's a good off-road vehicle. If we do things like that, we get in jumps over the road. But yeah, we'll be pulling up on the junkyard here in a minute. Yep, right here. Gonna try and fly through here. Ooh, recover that. Yeah! That was on purpose, guys. Don't worry about it. Listen to the supercharger. Sounds good. At all of these crossings. Oh, almost lost it there. And this is going like full speed, the Raptor, but still pretty long stretch across most of the map, if not all of it. But yeah, I think we're coming up on the end here, so yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.